it's not. But this is just for now. Got all of this little mini. Looks like a little bit recyclables. Just stick them in there. It's not not a sorting truck, so I could just just put them in. So for example, if one side is full, then I could just use the other side. Just like that, and then it just dumps right in. Now I had this all blink right here, but these kept falling out from there, so I had to move it. I might remove these and then just like keep this out, but anyway, tell me what you guys think of it. If you want to see it more in action, comment below what you guys think of it, and see you on the next video.